Paradise Found, Florida before the storm. Florida, the Sunshine State, a place where turquoise waters kissed pristine beaches and palm trees swayed in the gentle breeze. Tourists flocked to its shores, seeking sun-kissed relaxation and adventure. Families built their lives amidst its vibrant communities, drawn to its warmth and charm. From bustling Miami to historic St. Augustine, Florida pulsed with life. The air buzzed with the sounds of laughter, the scent of salt air, and the melodies of street musicians. Life was good in the Sunshine State, a tapestry of diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and endless opportunities. It seemed like paradise. The economy thrived on tourism, agriculture, and a burgeoning tech industry. People worked hard, played harder, and embraced the Florida lifestyle with open arms. The future seemed as bright as the sun that bathed its shores. Little did they know, a storm was brewing on the horizon, one that would forever change the face of their beloved state. The rhythm of life, work and play in the Sunshine State. Every morning, the sun rose over the Atlantic, casting a golden glow on the bustling cities and sleepy coastal towns. Fishermen cast their nets into the surf, while surfers rode the waves with effortless grace. The aroma of freshly brewed Cuban coffee wafted from sidewalk cafes. Children, their laughter echoing through the streets, hurried to school. In bustling offices and quiet studios, Floridians pursued their dreams. The rhythm of life was a steady beat, a symphony of hard work and celebration. Families gathered for picnics in lush parks. Evenings were for baseball games, concerts, or relaxing on the porch. Life was good. Life was familiar. Life was about to change. Milton's fury. A hurricane's wrath. Then came Milton, a monster storm churning its way across the Atlantic, gathering strength with each passing day. Weather reports grew increasingly dire, the warnings stark and urgent. Fear cast a long shadow over the Sunshine State as residents prepared for the worst. The sky, once a brilliant blue, turned an ominous gray. Palm trees, once swaying gently in the breeze, now bowed to the growing wind. The air grew thick with humidity and apprehension. The calm before the storm was a palpable thing, a suffocating blanket of dread. Then, it hit. Hurricane Milton slammed into the Florida coast with the force of 1,000 suns. Winds howled like banshees, ripping roofs from homes and shredding trees from the earth. Waves, towering and relentless, crashed against the shore, swallowing entire neighborhoods beneath their fury. Section 4. Picking up the pieces. The devastation left behind. In the aftermath of Milton's wrath, Florida was a scene of unimaginable devastation. The once vibrant landscape was scarred and broken, littered with debris and the remnants of shattered lives. Homes were reduced to rubble, businesses torn apart, and familiar landmarks erased. The sweet scent of salt air was replaced by the acrid stench of floodwater and decay. The laughter of children was silenced, replaced by the sobs of those who had lost everything. The Sunshine State, once a beacon of hope and opportunity, was cloaked in darkness and despair. The true cost of Milton's fury was measured not in dollars, but in the shattered lives of those who called Florida home. Families were ripped apart, their homes and possessions swept away in the blink of an eye. The physical damage was staggering, but it was the emotional toll that cut the deepest. Stories of resilience. Floridians facing the storm. Amidst the devastation, stories of resilience and hope emerged. Maria, a single mother, pulled her 2 young children to safety. She vowed to rebuild their lives brick by brick. John, a retired firefighter, helped neighbors salvage from the wreckage. His hands blistered, his spirit unbroken. Emily, despite losing everything, organized a donation drive. These stories of courage and resilience emerged from the wreckage. The people of Florida found strength in each other, a beacon of hope. Section 6. Rebuilding Hope. A community comes together. As the initial shock subsided, the long and arduous process of rebuilding began. From across the nation and around the world, aid poured into Florida. First responders, volunteers, and everyday citizens rolled up their sleeves, determined to help the Sunshine State rise again. The task seemed insurmountable, the damage immeasurable, yet the spirit of the human heart proved even stronger. With each passing day, debris was cleared, homes were patched, and lives slowly began to take shape once more. The road to recovery would be long, but the first steps had been taken. The journey ahead would be fraught with challenges, but the spirit of Florida, the spirit of resilience, the spirit of hope, would guide the way. The storm had taken so much, but it had also revealed the indomitable spirit of a community united by adversity and strengthened by hope.